Okay, so AI is like a Vardhan, the Brahmastra for everyone. And let me give you an example. Just imagine you have a machine or a software. Okay, software. Your business is here. You just putting this business in that machine, in that software, and it will analyze the what kind of disease, what kind of needs you want, what kind of prospects, what kind of clients, what kind of customers you exactly need, and where they are. They will do the lead generation, the lead nurturing, the email marketing, and the other social media marketing, and so many other stuffs as well. Okay, so this kind of things I'm teaching my clients, my customers, and even I'm doing this exactly same. I am not working in my business 100%. My business is working on automation. I just need only few things like the 1%, the calls, the Zoom meeting, that's it.